Hey everyone, today I have here the Ninebot Max G2. The issue with this one is when I try to turn it on, it won't turn on. So this definitely is it. I've already opened the cover on the bottom, and it does come with those M4 by 10 millimeter screws on this plate right here. So after removing that, we expose the battery, which is on the left side. There's no light on it that I can see, other than it was blinking red actually. Yeah, it was blinking red. And then we have the controller and the charger all on the right side there. So now we're going to pull out the charger. The charger is actually held in by one of the screws. And after removing that screw, this swung right out. I also pulled out the screws for the charge port, which I'm pointing at. It is on the other side of this. And after doing that and getting it loose, it helped in pulling the charge out. All right, so now we're going to try to get to the XT60 connector, because a blinking red light in this means that the battery is still working. There's just like a short somewhere. So looking back here, I pull out the XT60 connector, which looks like this. And then the battery started blinking blue again right immediately upon disconnecting. So that's actually a good sign. And by the way, that connector read 36 volts, which is good for this battery. So now we'll plug this XT60 connector back into that control board back here. And then upon turning it on, we do see it's working. So compared to the prior state, which it wasn't working, like when I would tap that power button, nothing would show up at all. My guess is the controller just shorted out, had an issue, but upon just disconnecting and reconnecting, it's all working again. So now I can screw the charge port back in, I can put this charging brick back in place, and we should be good to ride. Okay, and with that, the Ninebot is running once again. All right, hand on the throttle. Ninebot is running very well.